Data for the month of August is flashing on your screen, and this is a very, very solid number. Over 20,000 crores for the equity inflow. It's at 20,160 crores. This is for the equity inflow that has come through. I think the last time we got a 20,000 kind of inflow was in March. Last month, what we had was 7,500 crores, and there was around 3,300 crores of this amount, which was just on account of NFOs last time. So this is a huge spike that we've got. There is quite a significant NFO amount in this figure as well. I'll have to calculate that, but nonetheless, 20,000 is very, very solid. The large caps continue to lose money, but it is a little bit less of an outflow. So you've got around 360 crores in terms of an outflow for the large caps. What we had last time was over 1,800 crores, but the mid and small caps, there's just no stopping that. So the mid cap inflow has come in at over 2,500 crores, small caps at over 4,264 crores. So looking very, very solid over there. There's no signs of, money showing any kinds of moving away from these funds. The other space, in last month's data also, which really popped out at me, was the hybrid fund category. So we'd seen quite a spike. It had come in over 12,000 crores, and now that figure has gone up even more. So it's around 15,000 crores for the hybrid category as well. We're going to try to get you some reactions as well on this, but for starters, it looks very good. That's the NFO amount, 7,343 crores, but this is debt and equity combined. So just a quick alert there. This is the full NFO amount. Last month, of this 6,023 crores that you're seeing on your screen, around 3,300 crores was just the equity inflow. So, but Reema, Surabhi, over 20,000 crores in terms of a
huge number.
Right? The highest since March.
Yeah, since March. That's when we had 20. I mean, even if you look at the last month's figure, that was at 7,500. Before that, we had around 8,000. In May, it was around 2,900 as well. So, there's solid retail participation.
No, absolutely. And considering this year started off on such a quiet note, and we were wondering what's happening because the equity inflows, they dwindled to, I think, sub 5,000 in some of the months.
2,000.
Yeah, in fact, it went all the way down to 2,000. Yeah. So it's been a huge pickup. Pavithra, let's just go over the mid-cap and small-cap numbers again. The small-cap number that I have in front of me is suggesting, I think, 4,200 crores, right?
Yeah.
And that's a continuation. Let's pull up the small-cap figure if we can, because that's the key trend to note, that the interest really, as the market continues to sizzle on that side, small caps and mid caps, has really been reflecting in the mutual fund data as well, month on month. That trend is still intact because we've got about 4,200 crores. Pavithra, what was the small cap number for the previous month? I think it was somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000. Even in the month gone by.
Yeah. So July, the small cap figure was at 4,170. So right now that's seen a move higher as well. Now it's 4,265.
So largely the same.
Largely the same. The highest that we've ever seen for the small caps was in June. That was over 5,000 crores, 5,470 crores.
But mid caps, let's talk mid caps as well. Mid caps this month are at 2,112, and let's contrast that with the flow that we had last month.
It was around 16 to 20.
So mid caps have
sizable
seen a sizable pickup. On the small cap side, maybe small caps also a function of NFOs, and a lot of mutual fund houses have had to stop taking inflows in their small cap funds. They've literally shut subscriptions because it's tough deploying money. There's a there's a cost attached. There is an impact cost involved, and several fund houses have been saying that they're just finding it too difficult right now to allocate more on the small cap side, considering the way the markets move.
Oh, a lot of them actually have been shut for a while. So the SBI fund has been shut for over 5-6 years right now in terms of just the small caps. So of course, SIPs continue, but they're not taking any fresh money. We were speaking to him as well, and he's just telling us that, there's nowhere to be putting this kind of money which is coming in. And it's definitely caught people by surprise. So that's what's happening in terms of the August mutual fund number. The SIP figure will be out on the call. The call is at 12. So I will make sure to, bring that number to you as well. But for now, we are going to get into a short break. There's lots